Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video which involves a hair mask. But before we begin, and as with everything online, you should take reasonable precautions to prevent harm, so please do a test batch before applying this mask to your hair. To begin, you'll need the extract of an aloe vera leaf. I obtained this by cutting the skin off, which is the green parts, until I'm left with the clear gel. I'm using an entire leaf, which is about a handful of aloe vera gel, because my hair is very long. But depending on your hair length, you'll adjust the amount accordingly. So for example, if your hair is shorter, like hip length or mid-back, then use half to 3/4 of this recipe. My hair is very long and slightly below my butt. Please prepare this mask close to a sink because it can get messy. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of rosemary oil, and 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. Here's my oil mixture, and here's my handful of aloes, all of which I'm going to pour into my blender. Then I'll add 3 tablespoons of water to aid with blending. Blend until you get a thin, lump-free consistency. Like this. Pour into a spray bottle. To apply to my hair, I divide my hair in half. I apply from the roots down, ensuring that my hair is completely saturated with the mask. The benefits of this mask are, it contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It has antiseptic properties which treat and prevent scalp from infections. It's a natural conditioner and makes hair shiny and smooth. It definitely promotes hair growth and controls frizziness. It prevents itchy scalp and reduces dandruff. You'll need to use this mask once every week. When you're done applying the mask, put your hair in a bun and leave it for 45 minutes. After, you'll need to wash your hair like normal with a shampoo and conditioner. So this is my bun after the mask. And this is what my hair looks like after using this mask. It has definitely helped my hair grow over the years and made my hair healthy. Some of my friends even tried this mask and it worked for them also. I hope this helps you, and remember, you don't need long hair to look beautiful because your true beauty lies within. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for my upcoming videos. Bye!